It really was an incidental finding. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, I was on Instagram and something just popped up and it was a podcast, and I clicked on it. And I can't remember the title of the podcast, but I had a listen, and it was two people and they were interviewing Mahmoud, and I was captivated by what was said on that podcast, and it made me go on the internet and Google, and I messaged Mahmoud, and the rest is history. My journey has been quite remarkable. If I think back to when I first spoke to Mahmoud, there's been a dramatic change in myself that I can see every single day. I've always been an individual that's put a real priority on growth and development and trying to achieve set targets. But speaking to Mahmoud and what I've learned over the last few months and what I've learned over the last 2 days, I feel he's given me a turbocharge. He's plugged in some nitro and I feel like a rocket. When I set out and I made that initial contact with Mahmoud, my sole intention was to become a more powerful speaker. I always felt that I was okay at speaking, but I wanted to be unbelievable. I certainly feel that I'm now speaking at a whole different level. I would recommend this course to anybody who wants to take their life up, not one notch, not two, but 5, to a whole different level, to a whole different league. It is truly life-changing. The skills that you will learn, you will be able to implement them the next day, and you will see the changes. Your family will notice the changes. Your friends will notice the changes.